Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. Happy birthday to me. It's there you go. How's that for a good start? Let's look at the marketplace. The number of properties on the market now, 5,433 properties on the market, up 10.4% compared to 12 months ago. This number continues to grow. And the way we're going, probably before we know it, could be up as high as 6,000. Again, still that's a low amount compared to our probably average markets, but it's certainly higher than what we've had, so there's going to be more choice. Number of sales are slightly down. The reason for that being properties will probably start taking longer to sell. So there seems to be a bit of a switch in the market. 958 sales, down a little bit on what it was the previous week. Rentals, still pretty steady. The median rent for rentals is still $650 a week, and that has been at that level since March, so there's been no variation there. 2,142 properties available. That's up about 12% on 12 months ago, but again, off a very low base. So these figures are swinging around a bit, and particularly when we see both rental numbers and properties for sale numbers grow. The number of actual houses to the market went up 5.4% in the last week, so it's quite a big jump, but again we would expect that this time of year, purely because people are starting to make decisions for 2025. So there's no alarm bells there, but it's certainly a trend that we expect. Again, it looks like we're higher than we were 3 years ago in terms of stock. So that is quite dramatic, I suppose, when you consider that. But really, until we get to probably about an 8,000 mark, we'll probably still see a reasonable amount of activity out there. People keep asking me about real estate as a career. It's going to be an interesting one, and I'll do some forecasting. I think we'll see a few agents disappear at the beginning of 2025. There's been quite a few amalgamations of companies around the place, and as technology seems to click along, it seems to be eliminating a few of the people in the field. But it's still a great career to come into. There's plenty of opportunity, particularly in sales and property management, but overall it's sort of a career I suppose a lot of people, when I started, used to retire into. Mind you, I was only 26 when I started. Now it's starting to change. People are seeing it as a true career and coming in much earlier in life. Certainly a lot of younger ones coming in their 20s now and early 30s, and compared to when I started in real estate, I was the youngest person in our office, and then another fellow come along with similar age to me. But apart from that, after that, the next youngest person was about 20 to 30 years older than we were. So the landscape certainly changed, but real estate's changed, as is a lot of things. So it's technology, the internet and all those sorts of things. But anyway, rather than reminisce, the marketplace is still clicking on quite well, and I see that it'll probably continue to Christmas. All the best, and again, happy birthday to me. Beautiful.